We removed the wallpaper. Now we're gonna prime it with oil kill stain. All right, pick up your roller, dunk, dunk, dunk. Start halfway up the wall, all the way up, all the way down. Over, you're using light pressure on the roller because it's oil and it's looser. Light pressure up and down. The wall has already been cut in at the top and at the bottom. Go over your work very lightly to get rid of imperfections. Dunk your roller. Dunk, 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 dunk. Start in the middle. Light pressure on the roller. Bring it over a little bit. Light pressure. Come back down. Blend your work in. Dunk your roller. Dunk, 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 dunk. All the way up. Keep your eye on the roller. All the way down. Light pressure. Go over your work really easily. Go over your work to get rid of any imperfections. Dunk your roller. Dunk, 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 dunk. Halfway up. Go all the way up. Light pressure on the roller. Light pressure. Go back over your work. Dunk your roller. 1, 2, 3. Halfway. Go all the way up. Keep your eye on the roller. Light pressure on the roller to release the paint from the mat. Dunk your roller. Halfway up. Light pressure on the roller to release the paint.
Okay, the reason why we had to prime this in the first place is because when we went to go rip off the wallpaper, there was some remodeling done to the house, and this is a new piece of room wall with sheetrock. That's a portion of it. So when we ripped off the wallpaper, they didn't size the walls or prime the walls. They just threw the wallpaper up over the sheetrock, and then when we ripped off the wallpaper, it ripped off the backing. So now we got this big mess here. So normally what we do is we prime this with an oil primer. We cut it in, and then we roll it out one coat, and we let that dry, and then we'll lightly sand that with a mouse sander, a palm hand sander, and then we'll move on to the 2 coats of finish, and it's going to be a perfect interior paint job. Now we're going to let this dry, we're going to lightly sand it, and then we're going to get right into the first, second coat.
All right, listen up guys and girls, I'm going to show you how to roll this wall. Dunk your roller. Start in the middle. Up and down. Light pressure. Go over your work to blend it in. Dunk your roller, start in the middle, all the way down, light pressure. Go back over your work and blend it in. Dunk your roller. Start in the middle, all the way up, all the way down, over, all the way back up. Light pressure to go back over your work. Dunk your roller. Start in the middle, all the way up. Light pressure all the way down, over a little bit, all the way back up. Come back down, very light pressure. Go over your work to blend it all in. Dunk your roller. Go over a little bit, all the way up. Come back down. Go over your work. Very light pressure. So you can blend it all in. Dunk your roller. Go all the way down, all the way up. Turn your roller if you want, come all the way back down. Now go over your work and blend it all out. Blend it all out. Dunk your roller. Stop in the middle. Go all the way up. Move it over a little, come down. Go sideways. Go over your work now. Blend over your work. Collapse your fold. Dunk your roller again. If you're tall enough, you can go sideways. And if you're not tall enough, then you can go like this. That's the proper way to roll a wall with a 9-inch roller.
Okay, this is the first coat over our beautifully primed oil wall. We're going to let this dry, cut it in, and roll it out in the same manner. And then we're going to move on to the finish coat.
Guys and girls, welcome back. We're going to apply the second coat. Start in the middle. Go all the way up with light pressure, all the way down. Over a little bit, all the way up. Back down. Let's blend in your work. Dunk your roller. Stop in the middle, go all the way up, all the way down, over, all the way back up. Let's blend over the work. Go back over very lightly with the roller. Stop in the middle, go all the way up, all the way down, over, all the way back up. Lightly go down over your work to blend it all in. Dunk your roller. Start in the middle, all the way up, all the way down, over, all the way back up. Go back down to blend over your work. Go all the way down, over, all the way back up. Easily go back down, blend over all your work. Keep your eye on the roller at all times. Go over your work lightly. There you go. Go all the way back up, all the way down, and over. Now go over your work to blend it all in. Don't be afraid to go sideways. Dunk your roller a little bit more. If you're tall enough, you could reach up here and go sideways. If you're not tall enough, you can go up and down. Always keep your eye on the roller.
Good job with that. Look at that shine. You guys and girls do really good work. The first coat was a kill stain oil primer, and that was to harden the wall up after we did some repair to it because the wallpaper removed some of the front of the sheetrock So once we did that and gave it the light sanding, as you saw, the kill stain went on quite well. It locks it up, and then we were able to sand it and then move on to the second coat, which was actually the first coat of the finish coat. And I cut it in, and it took me about 6 minutes to cut it in. And you were right there watching the video, so it took us about 6 or 7 minutes to roll it out. And then we moved on to the third coat, which was the finish coat. And it took me about 5 or 6 minutes to cut it in again. And then it took us about 6 minutes to roll it out, because we kept to the method and we start in the middle and we go up and down and over and then repeat the process, dunking in between. And if you do it like that, that's the way the professional painters do it. Your job will come out 100% perfect. I truly do appreciate you watching my video. Give us a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.